Hey guys, Dallas again with Chaos Fragrances. Today we're back with another video, and this time we have an unboxing video from the company Luxury Scent Box. They actually sent out a box for me for free to review and to share with you guys. And I just want to extend a thank you for reaching out to me and making this video possible. And full disclosure guys, I don't partner with companies that I don't believe in, and this is a company that is doing great things. I really like their service. I like what they offer as far as fragrances go, price goes, their overall service, which I'll explain in a minute, and so I decided to work with them. So I don't want you to think I'm just promoting companies that I don't fully believe in. Before we get into this, make sure you give this video a like. That way I know you guys are liking the videos. Also don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you're notified when I post. And with that, let's go and get into it. So here's the box. We got Luxury Scent Box on the front. We got their logo. Looks very nice. On the back you'll see, I'll put some B-roll in because you probably won't be able to see this. It says fragrance travel spray, 2 9mm bottles. And then on the bottom you just have your cautionary, you got some other cautionary stuff. On the front here you'll see again luxuryscentbox.com. So the box opens up like this and it's really cool. It's actually magnetic. You can hear that. One of my favorite parts. It's magnetic. It opens up and you can see here we got Luxury Scent Box, explore your senses, find your luxury, one fragrance at a time. So you got this very nice presentation, and then you'll see right off the bat you have a nice pouch with Luxury Scent Box on it, which you can put your decan in. You have a nice little card which basically tells you how to use your decants, stuff like that. And then again we have another card just saying thank you for becoming a member. On the front, some nice words. On the back, it just tells you how you can rate the fragrance, some things you need to know. And then once you get to this part, you'll see you have your 2 decants. We got one right here and this nice silver case, and you have one in the green case. And to touch on some of the information on the company, Luxury Scent Box is a subscription service, $15 a month, free shipping. They send you out fragrance once a month, about a month's supply. And basically it just allows you to try several different fragrances. You can take a survey so that way you can kind of be matched with the fragrances that are similar to your taste. They also have a premium service which is $18 a month, and this has different brands. Some are only exclusive to Luxury Scent Box, and they basically allow you to try some of these more exclusive or hard to find fragrances, and it's only an extra $3, so I think it'd be worth it if you're trying to find some, not necessarily just designer fragrances, but more of these harder to find, a little bit more expensive, more unique fragrances. They also offer that premium service as well, which I think is worth checking out. You also receive a new colored case quarterly, so that way when yours starts to get a little bit beat up from putting it in your pocket, pulling it out all the time, you get a new one for free each quarter, which is nice because, like I said, taking it out of your pocket, traveling with it, stuff like that, it'll probably start to get scratched up, stuff like that. So it's nice that they send you a new one. And how these work, you simply twist it up, and then if you want to see what type of fragrance is in here or how much you have remaining, you simply just pull out. Then you can see I actually have Azure by Bentley in this one, which I'm going to give you my first impressions on right now. First time spraying it. Wind is taking it, but here we go. Now I went ahead and looked up the notes. You get pineapple, some violet leaf, I think, some woodsiness. Smells really nice, smells fresh and clean. Nice. I haven't really smelled too many of the Bentley fragrances, so it's nice being able to try this one. I know Bentley Intense is a really popular one. This is a more fresher offering. It's not bad, I like it. Now this one here is one of the more kind of exclusive fragrances I was talking about. This one is exclusive to the Luxury Scent Box, and you can see this one is called Bel Canto by Gallimard. So this is an EDP. Again, I haven't tried this one yet, so what I'm gonna do is just give you my first impressions. Why not, you know? Definitely get some kind of citrus up top. Got some woodsy notes. This is definitely a woody fragrance. You get some citrus up top, but it's mostly woods. Very nice smelling stuff. Actually, I think I definitely prefer this one, I think, a little bit because it is a little bit more different smelling. This one, the Bentley, is nice. It kind of has a little bit more, now that it's starting to settle down, it has a little bit more of a mature vibe to it. It's not super young and cologne-y smelling. It does have a little bit more of a mature, kind of formal edge to it. And this one by Gallimard. Woodsy, elegant, kind of classy. This one is very nice. They're both very nice, but I like this one. Now before I go guys, they were kind enough to hook you up with a discount code. You can use the code Chaos Fragrances. With that you'll receive 30% off your first month, meaning that you'll get your first box for $10.50, which is a very nice deal. And of course it is free shipping. Now this is only valid for new members and for first month only, but it's a good way for you to get in at even a cheaper amount and to kind of get your feet wet, see if you like the company, see if you like their selection, get your first box, see if you like it. And there is no commitments, no fees, so if you want out at any time, you can make that work. And with that, guys, that's all I have. That's kind of my overview on luxuryscentbox.com. Again, thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video, for sending me this stuff out. I really like what you guys are doing. Great selection. Again, they have a lot of fragrances that I haven't even heard of, which makes it really fun and exciting to kind of get in their service and see and discover some new stuff. Don't forget to use the code CHAOSFragrances for 30% off your first month. And then speaking of my channel, I got a lot of great new videos coming. I got a Silver Mountain water review coming. I also have a video on how to spot fake Creed fragrances, because that's a question I get all the time. Gonna make a whole video dedicated to what to look for. And on top of all that, guys, let me know if you want me to review any of these fragrances. Like I said, I'm really digging the one by Gallimard. It smells very nice, woody, classy, definitely very nice. So I'm gonna wear both of these some more. Like I said, these are just my first impressions of these fragrances, so I'm gonna wear these more, see how they work on my skin. And if you guys want me to do a review on either of them, just let me know and I will do that. So with all that said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the Luxury Scent Box, link down below. And with that, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.